Blue Collar One is our flagship high solids polysilazane 3 to 5 year coating. Very affordable and extremely easy to use. I'm going to demonstrate that today. Once again, just like all the other products in this line, polysilazane is in the ceramic family. Not SiO2, Si3 and 4. It has the silicon and nitrogen backbone, which gives this coating its strength. When it comes to all coatings, proper prep, wash, full decon, paint correction, or at least a cleaner polish like I used here would be necessary so you don't lock in a ton of imperfections under the coating. As you can see, a huge difference just in a few short minutes of putting in some prep time. All you need for this job is the coating itself, Blue Collar One, a couple of your applicator blocks or pads of choice, and 2 quality microfibers. Shake up the coating, crack open the top. Once it's cracked open, you have up to a year to use it. I have a micro suede block, so I'm not going to lay the block down on the panel or freshly corrected paint dry, so we're going to prime the pad and put a bunch of product onto the surface. We'll walk over and with crisscross motions up and down and then left and right without lifting the block, just sliding it, we will apply the product. Take your time. It's user-friendly. You can get interrupted, come back minutes later, and it will still wipe off very, very easily. Almost immediately, you will see that transfer solution start to streak with a rainbow color. That doesn't mean you need to rush then and hastily wipe off the solution. Just take your time, grab your microfiber, and lightly start picking up that transfer solution. Then grab a second microfiber and buff to perfection. Blue Collar One is meant to be a one-layer system. However, if you are new to coatings and you are not sure if you have an even layer of the coating throughout each panel, you may apply a second layer. Just wait 2 hours between each layer. Anything more than that, the coating will just start to reject itself anyways. That is really all there is to it. This is going to be a short video. There's no need to draw this out and make it and turn it into a commercial. It's a quick and easy coating to use. Just let it cure properly, which is 4 hours. I do want to show you, for those of you that are mobile and don't have a sheltered area to work under, or if you work on boats, this can be applied in direct sunlight on a breezy day, on a warm day, and I'll show you right here. Working in a 3x3 section, and of course, if it's extremely hot, uncharacteristically hot and humid, work in a smaller area, maybe a 2x2 section. And your arm movements can be a little bit quicker, but still no need to panic. You'll see here I do a crisscross pattern, and then I'll take my time. I'll put the cap back on the bottle. I'm going to grab you guys and bring you in close so you can see what it looks like. And then I'll put you back down and just wipe it off. There is no need to be in a rush, even in direct sunlight. This is a very friendly coating. And just like inside, grab that first microfiber, buff off as much of the transfer solution as you can with that first towel. Come in with the second towel and buff to perfection. Results will be the same. Doesn't matter if you're in a shop setting or a mobile setting outside. No haziness, no streaking, no high spots whatsoever. Our system was designed for us at the shop first, and of course, we have these available for you to try if you deem necessary. And they are formulated to be efficient, so it bonds quickly. So within 4 hours, you can top this. And when you top it, go ahead and use BC3 and then send the car on its way. The topper will be a sacrificial layer as the coating cures the rest of the way. So right now, let's say it's at about 85% cured. It can get wet. You can drive it, you can use it. You don't have to wait 12 hours overnight, 24 hours, 48 hours. Start to use it within 4 hours. It will not hurt it. Just don't wash it with a car shampoo for the next 5 days. And as you wait until that time period passes, BC3 will be happy to guard that coating as it cures. Well, that should have been like nails on a chalkboard to you. It was to me. Coatings are not impervious, and sometimes they're marketed that way, and that's got to be corrected. I want to show you here that they can help, but they are not impervious. They can't stop rock chips, they can't stop scratching. They can help cut back on them because of the slickness and the hardness. You're bumping your clear coat from a hardness of 2H to an 8 or a 9H. By the way, if anybody mentions anything higher than a 9, run like hell because it's BS. As you can see here, the coatings, they still scratch and they still get love marks, but less of them compared to the surrounding areas that aren't protected. And those scratches that did happen, well, they're mostly happening to the coating and can be freshened up later. But they're not impervious, but they can make a huge difference when it comes to arming your clear coat and protecting it from Mother Nature, chemicals, and anything else that it can come in contact with. I hope that helps. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.